The traditional way of selling does work, but you can only sell to few people, whereas we have 8 billion people around the world. Let me give you an example. Someone sees my TikTok about making money from 0 rand. They click the link in my bio. They join my community or book a session. I help them, they get results, and they keep learning with me. That journey is called a sales funnel. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Lindy Shirries. In this channel, we make money online. We do crypto stocks, and I also assist small businesses to get started the right way. You can also book a one-on-one session with me for just $20, and it doesn't matter where you are in the world. We can use Zoom, you can pay with crypto, or if you are in South Africa, you can pay 300 rand. So let me just give you a definition of a sales funnel. A sales funnel, it is a step-by-step path that takes a stranger and turn them into a customer. This is a smart way of selling because you are selling to people all over the world, especially if it is a digital product. But then even if it's not a digital product, you're just selling to people in your local country, you can use a sales funnel because obviously each country has so many people. It's called a funnel because many people start at the top, seeing your content, but fewer move forward to engagement, trust, and finally buy or book a session. There are many sales funnel platforms out there, but most of them are expensive and require a monthly subscription. And why do you need to pay a monthly subscription if you haven't tested the system, if you haven't noticed what would happen when you use a sales funnel? That's why I recommend System.io. System.io allows you to start for free, build a funnel, collect emails, sell products, and grow your business as you learn. So when you are comfortable, when you do know how it works, and at the same time, when you start seeing money from that money, you'll be able to scale the business and get more features by paying the affordable monthly subscription. But then when you get started, below 5,000 people, you really do not need to pay anything, guys. You can then choose a paid plan. The free version is powerful. There are a lot of things that you can do without spending any money. The website that I am running, I've created it from System.io, and I have sales funnels, I have a community, I even have a course. All of this is given for free. And also something that you need to know, a sales funnel is not about pressure, it's about guiding people the right way and growing step by step. Before going to my laptop, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and support this channel so that we can grow. Let me go to my laptop and show you a sales funnel, and then we can also build a sales page together. The first thing that you do, you go to my link tree. I'll put the link on the video description. So as you scroll down, you'll see System.io funnel. Click it and it will open this page. So once you're in this page, just enter your email and click here, and an account will be created. So the next page, you are going to see this page. Just go to where it says it is return sites, and you will see sales funnel. So you can create a website, you can create a blog, you can even create a store. So I'm just going to click sales funnel and click create because you do want to create. So the next thing, you will give it a name, and you are going to go to ChatGPT if you do not know what name to use, and ChatGPT can assist you. But then do prepare for this. And then what do you want to do? You want to sell? Do you want to build a community? So I want to sell. Select the country, the currency of your country. If you do not have one, click USDT. And then the next thing, you are going to click settings. If you want to make any changes, the names or maybe the currency, you can do it here. If you have a domain, you can select it here, and it will be able to connect to your domain. And then the next thing, you click the link, and after it will open this page. So as you can see, we do have an order form, a thank you form. So we want a sales page. So you're just going to add a step and give it a name. So this is the name that I want to do, and then select the type as sales page, and then you will be given templates, many templates that you can choose from. There are many, so select the one that looks similar to your business so that you don't develop this from the start. You can develop this from the start. So I'm just going to select this one. So it is important to add the URL path. So make sure it is small letters, otherwise it will give you an error. So this is your link. You can copy it and they'll be able to access your page. Edit the page. Once you get to this page, you will see the data from the sales funnel. So the top part, you can change that and add a logo. But then I'm going to show you how to add a logo and create one. So for now, you can change the content. You can change what happens when a person joins. Just give them something that you're going to offer in your course. So you just edit here. And then if you want to select text, you just click select the text that you want to change. If you want to change the color, and then you will see the color select the color that you want, and then your text will show if maybe you have selected white. If you want to type something, you can just type. So basically you edit it according to your business or your product that you are selling. And then the next thing, if you want a photo, you go to pexel.com, and this is the one that I've selected because my community is all about my page is all about community. So you click settings, you click that upload, and then you upload the photo that you've added, because you do not want to keep the template one. You want to add your photos. If you do not have any photo you do not want to add, you do not need, you can just delete that. You resize here on your left hand side, those settings are there. Then you delete anything that you do not want on this page. There's so many things that you are going to get. Just delete whatever you do not want and leave whatever you're going to use. So for me, I do need testimonies from students. I do need the frequently asked questions. The rest I'm just going to delete. So if you want to change the face of this person, you just click the picture and upload yours and change the data according to what you want to change. Go to ChatGPT if you are stuck, or just get real testimonies from people and then change. So change the photo again. Remember, I said do not use the one that they have there. And then if you want to change the frequently asked questions, just type the name and then type the answer at the bottom. Then you will have that. Whatever other questions you do not need, just change. So let's change the link now. So you select the join now button, and then you can have fluid, which is just the one that is long, and you can change the colors, you can change the font, you can change the size of your text. So this is how you do it. So all the settings are on the left. If you want to change the font type, you go on the left hand side and do that as well. So as you can see, it is changing like that. So do the changes that you want. So when people click this link, you will be able to change. So if you want to change the background, you can change it here. If you want to change the text as well, just check where it's written text and you'll be able to change. So let's say you want your button to have shape at the end. As you can see, you just play around with the size and position and you'll be able to do that. And then the next thing that we're going to do, we are going to create a logo. So I've decided I do not want the logo on top, because when I view it on my mobile, it doesn't look nice. So I'm just going to create a logo, because as well I do not like that logo. So you go to Canva and you select logo, and then it will show you, and then you just follow the steps that I've followed here. And we went to elements, select whatever element you want. So this one is educational, you give it a name and then change, and then after click share to download your logo. Remember, it must be something that you want. So let's go change this logo. You select it, and after selecting it, you will resize it accordingly. So can you see it blends well with the page? So let's delete the top part, because when I view it on my mobile, the website doesn't look okay. So now I'm just going to add the logo as well on the left hand side. To just duplicate it and then you drag it on your left hand side. So let's just continue. When someone click the button, what do you want to happen? Submit the form, take them to a URL. So for me, I want them to download my book. So I'm just going to add that book, and then the next thing I'll show you how it's going to look. You click all the changes and then you click preview. So this is just preview to show you what you have created so far, and it looks like this. If you see any mistakes, you close the preview, you go to the editor and you edit what you need to edit. So now can you see on the phone, it does look okay now. So when someone click join now, they will be taken to the download book. So can you see, this is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did learn something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also subscribe to our community. That way we can grow together. Thank you.